A Gantt chart is one of the simplest, clearest ways to plan a project timeline. And even though Excel doesn't have a built-in Gantt chart tool, you can create one from scratch in just minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build a simple Gantt chart in Excel step by step so you can map out your project with confidence. A Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart that shows when tasks start, how long they take, and how they overlap. It's a visual project timeline, easy to scan, and great for seeing the big picture. Excel is a great starting point. It's familiar, flexible, and there's no extra cost because most teams already have it installed. But Excel comes with a few significant trade-offs. You'll be updating everything manually, it won't handle dependencies automatically, and there's no built-in collaboration. Still, for smaller projects, it can work pretty well. Start by creating a table with 4 essential columns: task name, start date, end date, and duration. To calculate duration, use this formula: equals end date minus start date plus 1. That plus 1 makes sure Excel counts both the start and end dates. Select your full table, go to the Insert tab, and choose 2D Stacked Bar Chart. Right-click the chart and select Data. Add 2 series, start date and duration. Then set your task names as the horizontal axis labels. To turn this into a Gantt chart, click the start date bars, format them with no fill, and remove their border. Next, reverse your task order so the first task appears at the top. Then convert your horizontal axis into a date axis. Set weekly or monthly intervals based on your project. Now let's make it presentation ready. Add a clear title. Color code tasks or phases so your timeline is easy to skim. Add vertical grid lines if you want more date reference. You can even draw a today line for status meetings. Excel can work when your projects are small, simple, or one-off. If you don't want to build your own Excel Gantt chart from scratch, I have 2 really great options for you. First, you can download our free Excel Gantt chart template. It comes pre-built and ready to go without you doing any formulas or setup. Or if you want to build an easy-to-use, intuitive project plan in seconds, you can use Team Gantt's free AI Gantt Chart Maker. Just type something like website redesign with research, design, development, and launch phases over 10 weeks. AI instantly builds your full Gantt chart in Team Gantt. Then, you can refine it with drag and drop scheduling, assign resources, add dependencies, and track and manage your project. It's all online, completely free to use. No credit card required. It's the best option out there, and it's totally free. Excel is a great way to learn the basics of Gantt charts, but Team Gantt helps you go even further to make planning and managing your project a breeze. Download the free template to get a head start, or try the AI Gantt Chart Maker for a faster, smarter way to plan and manage your next project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more project planning tutorials. See you next time.